Uh, yeah. So
Done.
you have that
When that gets saved, I'll share it maybe on.
Yes, on the
personal
same
or-
group.
Yeah. On the
Yeah,
same.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So now we are recording. अभी तो बोलो आप famous हो जाओगे. अपने feedback दो, अपने episodes दो.
Yeah, I mean, I
YouTube.
just want to, share things about training industry. So, I'm into training and development. So for trainers, this is the right time. In fact, if they want to jump into the training, because most of the people are now acquainted with online sessions. So earlier, what used to happen is the people. Okay, my daughter is showing her.
Oh, very nice.
Okay, yeah, earlier what used to happen is there used to be huge amount of time and effort to book the venues and then invite people, and then people need to take efforts to come to the physical venues and then take part in the training sessions. Now
Right.
it's just one Zoom link that it all takes to conduct a training session.
Yeah. Right, and you can connect with a larger, amount of people.
Yeah,
And
really,
that also
yeah.
no boundaries.
Yes, that's one of the fantastic thing that's
Right,
going to happen.
right.
Yeah.
In
Brilliant.
fact, I know, in our event industry, there's one magician I know. He's from Bombay. And,
Yes.
he is basically
Yogesh.
Yes.
Yeah.
He's done above 100 shows in the last 3
Wow.
months, national and international. So it's actually a good platform, because earlier he used to only perform in Mumbai. Now he's famous all across India and the world
Yeah.
now.
Right, brilliant. Yeah, brilliant. So, okay, let's roll then. To begin with, I want to take you through, the values, the preposition, etc., which we have, and the reason why we started this group. It will take a few minutes, and then Divya, who's already ready, can take over and give us a surprise quotient, which I also don't know. Okay. So, can all see the screen?
It's starting.
Yes. It's starting.
Achha. Now, is it visible to everyone?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll start with the vision, mission, values, and a beautiful quote. Sunday hai, आराम नहीं है, but फिर भी alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. Just a kind request if we can all mute our microphones so that the sound doesn't bother us. The admins can keep it on. Right. Just a second. Take a second. I'll have to mute. Achha, we are done with that. So, ठीक है. Alone we can do so little. Together we can do so much. Helen Keller. This quote really matches to what our group is turned out to be today. And I'll move further with talking about our vision. So we are here to create a valuable opportunity for every member of Vocal for Local Pune to expand their business by coming together and collaborating, right? Mission is to reinvent how people share knowledge, share their business, and make wonderful, long-lasting business relationships. Values, again, we value our people, encourage their development, and provide them a local platform to exhibit their business. So the mindset, each and every member of the Vocal for Local group and the attitude of members is very important. So each time you wake up in the morning and you look at the Vocal for Local WhatsApp group, you need to come with a humble heart every morning. Don't judge anybody. Give your 100% and little extra. Be away from all distractions. Have an attitude of helping others to grow their business. Do not look at competition. It's not the right time. And what we can do is we can help each other grow that way. The more you connect, the more you'll be able to establish a connect with the members. So future of Vocal for Local Pune looks very bright. The admins are all set to do it, and I'm also fully charged up. We reach out to maximum business owners from Pune and bring them on one platform using multiple WhatsApp groups. Focus will be on helping business owners close any kind of business requirement they may have through the strength of the business owners on the Vocal for Local WhatsApp group itself, right? Then major focus will be on inviting professional, credible business owners through reference of existing business owners only. You will not see any of the admins or yourselves or myself posting these links, WhatsApp links on Facebook or any other social media to invite unknown sources. So we would want you to invite your own strong connect so that the group is stronger, the relationships are stronger, and we have trustworthy, credible business owners part of us. So plan to hold our networking meet once in every 15 days, that is twice a month, right? So maybe the next 16th or the 17th, we should have our second meeting. Do's and don'ts, check your audio and video settings. Make sure you're on mute at all times unless it is your turn to speak. Make sure your video is on at all times unless you are asked by the host to turn it off. So a lot of people have been asking me about what a one-to-one is, and they've also posted it on a group. So I thought of adding this slide in the middle. So one-to-one, BNI members would know, but non-BNI members who are here would not know the term. It's like a jargon. So basically, two people sitting together, learning more about their business in detail. These are some of the questions I put across, so you'll exactly know कि आपको करना क्या है एक one-to-one में बैठे हुए, especially for the person you're meeting the first time, right? Can be a business owner, etc. So you can just browse through this for a few seconds, and then we'll proceed further. ये बस एक आपको basic idea देने के लिए है. Your questions can be anything. Should I move further?
Yes.
Okay. So we're going to have our 45 seconds today. It should include all the following details. Your full name, your company name, your business category is mandatory. So if the different business categories you would like to connect with for your business growth, if you have a referral for any business owner, you can share that. If you want to connect with any company, business owner outside the group, you can specify the company name or individual's name. Be specific. If you have a testimonial, you've done business with someone, and since the inception of the group, you find his services or products really good, really classy, you can mention that so other members can take advantage of it in detail. So I want, without further ado, if Divya, you're ready, we can just go in with whatever you've got in store for us, and then we can go into the 45 seconds.
Yes, Uday.
Right.
So everybody please mute. It's me only who will talk. So मेरा mic on रहेगा. Rest of you can just mute yourself. Thank you so much. And happy Friendship Day. आज Friendships Day है. और यहाँ पे हम लोग फर्स्ट टाइम मिल रहे हैं एक दूसरे को, बट आई एम श्योर यहाँ से जर्नी बहुत लंबी जाने वाली है. हम लोग सब एक दूसरे के फ्रेंड्स ग्रुप पे है, आज सामने सामने एक दूसरे को देख रहे हैं. सो थैंक यू सो मच. So Uday, I would just want to know कि who's there on the laptop, because my laptop is not working today, so I'm on मोबाइल फोन. सो क्योंकि मुझे वो एक स्क्रीन देखना है जो हम करने वाले हैं अभी, एक छोटा सा एक फन एक्टिविटी, उसमें मुझे सिर्फ वो स्क्रीन देखना है जो मुझे कोई हेल्प कर सके बताने के लिए कि who was the first person to do the task.
Okay, so I am on the laptop. You can tell me what to do.
ठीक है, because 28 participants को एक साथ देखना is not possible for me on my screen. So okay. So first of all, good morning everyone. और उदय, thank you so much. ये हम लोगों के लिए platform आपने बनाया, नीलेश and Jinane. Thank you so much. I would want to thank all of you, and I'm glad I'm meeting you all today सामने सामने. Very nice. So सबको बहुत lazy feel हो रहा होगा, कहीं ना कहीं घर पे बैठे बैठे थक गए हैं, है ना, कुछ fun नहीं है, कोई action नहीं है life में. So let's just begin. एक छोटा सा game खेलते हैं. This is a warm up activity that I would want your kids also to participate. So if you have your kids around, बच्चे हैं आपके आसपास?
Funny, you can call your kid.
Yes.
She'll also get to participate, or he.
Let's participate in this, क्योंकि देखो participation जो होता है, भाग लेने से ही हमारी जिंदगी बदल सकती है. Participate करने से, not just simply listening to it or yeah. So मैं बस एक चाहती हूँ कि अगर बच्चे हैं ना तो बहुत मजा आ जाएगा. And we are all family, so let's meet your kids also today. This is one good platform जहाँ पे हम आपकी families को भी मिल सकते हैं और एक दूसरे को ज़्यादा जान सकते हैं. So अच्छा, chat box में just in the chat box ना you keep in the chat box you just keep telling me क्या क्या आपको इसमें easy लग रहा है, समझ में आ रहा है, नहीं आ रहा है. Just the chat box. अपना mic मत on कीजिएगा. So मैं आपको कुछ चीज आपके घर से ही लाने के लिए बोलूंगी. तो आप
आप
अपने
लोग
बच्चों की हेल्प
सॉरी
ले सकते हैं।
वीडियो आप लोग का ऑन कर लो यार.
हाँ,
We
वीडियो
want to
ऑन कर
see who
दीजिए,
you are etc. So और
वीडियो
दिव्या के
ऑन
लिए भी
कर
वो बहुत अच्छी
दीजिए।
चीज हो जाएगी.
हाँ, और वो माइक बंद कर दीजिए क्योंकि बहुत जोर जोर से आ जाएगी तो प्रॉब्लम। हाँ, वीडियो ऑन कर दीजिए। आई कैन ऑल्सो सी यस निकेश, आमिर, मनोज। यस, आई कैन सी मनोज किड्स, लवली। बच्चे आ गए संडे मॉर्निंग। हेलो, ओके, रोहित एंड तेजांशु जी, आई कैन सी। ओके, lovely. Janvi, I can't see you. And oh wow, देखो फनी के दोनों बच्चे, very nice. So kids are blessings, aren't they? चलिए, hi Pooja. So okay, and hi to everyone. We are 28, 29 members right now. Amazing. Okay. So ये छोटी सी गेम है, बच्चों को भी बहुत मजा आएगा, आपको भी बहुत मजा आएगा खेलने में। तो मैं एक अल्फाबेट बोलूंगी और उस अल्फाबेट से आपके घर में जितनी भी चीजें हैं, ठीक है, आपको 1 मिनट के अंदर मैं स्टॉप वॉच। अच्छा, हु कैन सेट द स्टॉप वॉच फॉर मी?
How many seconds do you want to do it for?
वी जस्ट वांट टू गिव 1 मिनट फॉर ईच दिस अल्फाबेट। जो मैं अल्फाबेट बोलूंगी उस अल्फाबेट से जुड़ी हुई हर चीजें अपने घर से भाग के जाना है और लेके आना है। बच्चों को बेडरूम में भगाओ, आप हॉल में भागो और वो चीजें लेके आओ सारी इकट्ठा करके। जो मैक्सिमम लाएगा वो विनर बन जाएगा, जो मैक्सिमम चीजें लाएगा उस अल्फाबेट से। ठीक है, समझ में आया आप सबको? जस्ट इन द चैट बॉक्स यू राइट यस इफ यू अंडरस्टूड। यू ऑल अंडरस्टूड? योगेश जी, यू अंडरस्टूड? समझ में आया ना? इजी गेम है ना? उदय, आप मत भाग जाना कहीं।
हाँ.
आप और मैं नहीं भाग सकते, बाकी सबको भागना है।
Right.
Yes.
मैं यहाँ ही बैठा रहूंगा, सबको देखते रहता हूँ.
थैंक यू अदनान, थैंक यू साकेत। और किस किस को समझ में आया? अच्छा, कौन सा पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे? बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, बहुत मजा आएगा, ट्रस्ट मी। ठीक है, सो चलिए खेलेंगे। फर्स्ट राउंड खेलते हैं। पहला अल्फाबेट है, यस विशाल जी, पहला अल्फाबेट है डी। डी फॉर दिल्ली। डी से जितनी चीजें आपके घर में है मैक्सिमम इकट्ठा करके लाइए। डी फॉर दिल्ली। चलिए योगेश जी भागिए। और आपके पास 1 मिनट का टाइम शुरू होता है अब। द टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ।
Yeah. So I'm keeping the time.
यस। योगेश जी पार्टिसिपेट कीजिए। Jinein, you can also start running, collecting the stuff.
Yeah, fine. I need to see all the participants.
अच्छा, हाँ, तो आप मत भागो। यही रहो।
Okay, 20 seconds remaining.
Nikesh bhai, run.
Ten seconds. Five seconds.
विशाल
मेरा।
गोसावी जी, आपने क्यों, आपके बच्चे कहाँ हैं?
Time is up.
Okay. Okay, are they back? Who came first? Who came back first?
I could see actually nobody. Was I seeing Manoj or who? I don't know.
Okay, Funny's daughter is here. So she's got a lot of stuff in her hands. Yeah? Hi, Funny, could you unmute yourself? Unmute kar. Yes. Hi, lovely. क्या लाए हो आप, दिखाओ?
I have brought a doll.
Oh wow.
And a drawing book.
Okay.
And Doraemon pouch.
Okay. Teddy,
And
4,
diary
5.
and dosa pan.
Oh my God. 6.
And the dandiya stick.
And dandiya stick. 7.
Wow.
7. Wow. अच्छा, और कौन लेके आया? What's your name? What's your name, darling? अपना नाम बताओ.
My name is Hansika and my young sister's name is Nainika.
Hansika and Nanika.
Yes.
Oh wow. चलो चलो देखते हैं हंसिका और नैनिका को कौन बीट कर रहा है. 7 items they got. Let's see. और कौन लेके आया? और कोई लेके आया? अरे यार ये ना adults भागते ही नहीं है, देखो भाग ही नहीं लिया. And okay, I can see Mr. Hanmant Rao's kids also.
Oh yeah.
Mr. Hanmant Rao, please unmute yourself. Let's see what your kids have got. Yes. Yes. Yes, yes. अच्छा अपना नाम बताओ.
Yashodhara.
हाँ, sorry.
Yashodhara.
Yashodhara, so cute. Let's see Yashodhara के पास क्या क्या है. चलो, let's see. D for
A doll.
1,
A drum.
2,
And diary.
3,
And rubber duck.
4, 4 items. Yay! Wonderful,
Fantastic.
Yashodhara. Good girl. और कौन लाया? कोई अनम्यूट करना चाहता है खुद को? मैं देख नहीं पा रही हूँ क्योंकि सब बड़े लोगों ने ना ये कर दिया है. बच्चे बहुत प्यारे हैं.
I've got only 3 items, so I'm not speaking only.
Say 3. ये टाइम पे 3 भी बहुत बड़ी बात है. बच्चों को कंप्लीट
See,
करना बहुत टफ है.
I've got a dish. I've got a
Okay.
dustpan.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
that means you've been
I've-
sweeping your house really nicely.
Yeah, really nicely. He knows where that is.
My
Yes.
wife has trained me very well.
Yeah.
And I've got dal also. So she has taught me to cook.
Oh.
चलो सबकी ट्रू स्टोरीज भी बाहर आ रही है. Okay. So,
I have got 8 items.
oh my God, let's see. You did not show. Let's see.
They card one.
First is drum.
Okay.
Second is doll.
Okay.
Third is duck.
Okay. 3.
Doctor set.
Okay.
Fifth is dish.
Okay.
Sixth is drawing book.
Perfect.
Seventh is
Stacking drums.
stacking drums.
Stacking drums.
And
Teddy.
seventh is teddy.
Teddy. So that is 8. Claps.
Wow.
So, acha winners, we've got 2 winners Uday for this beautiful game.
Yes.
That is Funny's kids and Mr. Manoj's kids.
Done. Noted.
Thank you. Say thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
God bless you. Have a good Sunday.
You've really taken us back to when we were small, yeah, our childhood days. मेरे को
और
मन
देखो-
कर रहा था भागने का अभी. बहुत
अरे
दिन हो गए
उदय
ऐसे.
सिर्फ बच्चे ही लेके आए. देखो कोई बड़ा लेके नहीं आया. बच्चों को compete नहीं कर सकते.
Right.
That is so fantastic. So lovely to see.
Right.
Chal, everybody now can mute themselves. Abhi, let's get to the main business.
योगेश जी तुमचं म्यूट करा.
हो आहे काय आवाज येतोय?
हा आवाज येतोय तो म्यूट करा तुम्ही.
ओके हो चालेल.
हा आता ते सगळे बोलतील नंतर तुमचा टर्न येईल.
ओके.
Right. So I'll just go into the PowerPoint slide because I want to make
Yes.
sure it's in front of you while you're introducing yourself and you exactly know what to talk about. Okay. So this is the best part of the meeting where you, everybody will come to know about each other's work in detail. Try to be as crisp as possible. You've got 45 seconds and it should include the following. So I don't need to repeat it again. You can follow this format and start introducing. So Divya, would you want to take their name and then I can keep the timing?
Yes, let's do that because
Just 2 seconds. Just 2
I've got
seconds.
24 names. Yeah, so I'll just, no problem. I'll check who all are left. It's okay.
So 1 second जरा मैं time 45 seconds का
Yes.
set कर देता हूँ. Okay. Done. So the timer is also here. You can match that and then start introducing. Okay. Can you see the timer?
No, Udaya, we can't.
You can't. 1 second.
अच्छा, ये कोई तो अनम्यूट करना चाहिए क्योंकि ट्रेन जा रहा है कहीं से बहुत जोर से.
1 second.
Uday, as a host, you have the option to mute and unmute all with an option to unmute participants themselves. So you can mute all with an option to unmute themselves.
Yeah. Right. Sorry for the delay, but I'm just trying to figure out how do I get this timer in the thing it was showing earlier. 2 seconds, huh?
Yes.
Is the timer visible?
Not really.
Okay.
Your presentation is seen.
Okay, we'll forget that. I'll keep the time and I'll inform once the presentation
Yes.
is done.
Yes,
Okay,
you can
so
then prompt, right?
done. We can start. So you can call out the first person.
Yes. So, guys, the points are very clear. Points बहुत clear है. हमें क्या क्या बात करना है. और ऐसा 30 seconds, 40 seconds, 45 seconds बोलिए कि सामने वाला एकदम अच्छे से अंडरस्टैंड करे और आपको मैक्सिमम बेनिफिट्स मिले आज के 45 सेकंड से. वो हमारी प्रयास होनी चाहिए. सो फर्स्ट नेम आई एम गोइंग टू कॉल आउट मिस अनु सोनम, मिस्टर अनु सोनम. सॉरी इफ आई सेड मिस. अनु सोनम जी हैं?
Anu, if you're there, you can announce yourself.
Yeah, hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, Anu.
Yeah, hi. Good morning. My name is Anu Soman, co-founder at Fine Thought Brand Solutions. We are brand consultants who can make your brand visible in the market. We specialize in all kind of designing like logo designs, ad designs, social media posts. Our forte is we specialize into package designing. So any product that needs a cover to be designed, we can help you with that. And apart from this, we also have a different wing which focuses on events. So currently we are doing a lot of online events. So if you have any kind of requirement for designs, package designs or online events, you can get in touch with me. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. So next is Mr. Amir Khan. Mr. Amir Khan.
Good morning, everyone. This is architect Amir Khan here. Can everybody hear me out?
Yes.
This is architect Amir Khan here, representing my company Paper Pencil Architects. We are in the business of architectural and interior design since last 5 years. I have an experience of working on celebrity homes. We are currently designing a residential housing scheme at Lonavala. We are also designing residential interiors for 1800 square feet home at Lonavala. Please connect me for any designing requirements for architecture and interiors. Signing off, architect Amir Khan from Paper Pencil Architects.
Thank you, Amir.
Okay, thank you, Amir. Next is Mr. Pradeep Ved Pathak. Pradeep ji, Pradeep Ved Pathak. Pradeep ji, अगर आप अभी can
Yeah.
Jinin, can we see him? Okay.
Good morning, all of you. Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, we can.
Yeah, my name is Pradeep Madhukar Ved Pathak. I'm a director of Ved Foundation. We are working in insurance from last 30 years. We will provide health insurance, wealth insurance, life insurance, and we can health insurance like that. basically, we connect to this group for basically who want to insure life, so they can connect with us. We will give best services at our side. And thanks for Uday for inviting this meeting. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Pradeep ji. Next is Mr. Adnan Zarwala.
Yeah. Good morning, everyone. I'm Adnan Zarwala from Raj Decors, Wanadi. We deal in all residential and commercial furnishing products, which primarily include new customized sofas, refurbishing of existing sofas, curtains, upholstery, wallpaper and blinds, PVC and wooden flooring, carpet, artificial grass, mattresses and pillows, glass loom, and many other furnishing accessories. We closely liaise with our clients and architects, interior designers, in realizing the concept of furnishing within the project, starting from site analysis to final installation. Be it a home, hotel, office, palace, government organization, or mock-up flat, our efficient team of technicians can execute projects of any scale, style, and scheme.
Thank you, Adnan.
My specific ask is architect Alok Kothari, and it would be my pleasure to have you all at my studio to see the range of my furnishing products. Thank you.
Thank you, Adnan. Next is Mr. Badri Vishal Mishra. Badri Vishal Mishra. Is he there? No, I can't see him. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Maybe if he comes back, we can take him again. Next is Mr. Hanumant Rao.
Hi friends, good morning. I am CA Hanumantrao Chaudhary from Hanumantrao and Company Chartered Accountants. I am in practice since last 14 years from Narayanpet and Chikli. I am practicing income tax, direct tax and indirect taxes. I am also author of Know Your Balance Sheet book. It is recently we are published. Government again extended the due date of filing return of 1819. This is very good opportunity for you to file your returns. You cannot file if you not file before the 30th September. You are CA Hanumantrao Chaudhary, practicing chartered accountants. Thank you.
Thank you.
Can I also request the participants to just switch on the cameras also? ये बहुत अच्छा चांस है एक दूसरे को देखने का, देखना बहुत जरूरी है because our faces are our identity. So अपना वीडियो भी ऑन कर लीजिए when we are doing this. Okay, thank you Hanumanji. So next is Chirag.
Hello, good morning. This is Chirag Chivare from Sagax Industries. We are into manufacturing of office and modular furniture. This last 25 years, our forte is into modular furniture and fabrication. We can have an
Hello. Oh, some network issues, I guess.
Probably. We can move further.
Yeah, I guess. Yeah, okay. So next is Miss Janvi. Miss Janvi Viju.
Yeah, good morning.
So, sorry, before you start, Janvi, Divya, I will be removing the screen in front. Ideally, the members aren't seen, so we want to give focus on that also. So I'm sure everybody is aware of the format right now. Yeah.
Yes.
Perfect.
Okay.
Done. Janvi, you can continue. Sorry.
Yeah, no worries. Good morning, everyone. Good to connect. This is my first meeting with everyone, and it's good to connect with all entrepreneurs. So basically, my name is Janvi Bijur, and I am the founder of Breed Design. So we are basically a user-centered design firm where we focus on design thinking as our main thing through services like logo, print and branding, web UI, UX, and space design, and packaging. And our main forte is targeting entrepreneurs, targeting enterprises into industries like manufacturing, IT, tech, telecom, and also digital transformation companies. So it's good to connect with these people, and that's what we do. And you can check out.
Janvi.
Thanks. Thank you.
Thank you, Janvi. Next is Krishna Chawla.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
So good morning, everyone. I'm Krishna Chawla from Prezi Store. So we are into corporate gifting and merchandising. We do customization on various products like t-shirts, caps, mugs, pop sockets. So we have in-house printing for all the products. And we do not have any minimum order quantity. So you can even place order for 1 or 5 t-shirts if you have requirement for your staff. And yeah, my good referral sources are IT companies and multi-chain franchises. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Krishna. Next is Lakshmikant. Dharmadhikari. Mr. Lakshmikant Dharmadhikari.
Thank you, Divya. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Thank you, Mr. Uday and team for giving this opportunity. I am Lakshmikant Dharmadhikari from Seagat Road, Pune. I am an individual insurance advisor. I help people to protect their financial future and their family's financial future.
Thank you so much.
I work in, yeah, thank you.
Okay, so next is Noor Munshi.
Morning, mates. I'm Noor Munshi. I represent Excellence Power. We provide solutions for power backup for industries in Gujarat, Mumbai, Raigad, and Pune. We deal into diesel power generators for last 4 decades. We help our clients with procurement. We help them with maintenance contracts. We provide these heavy-duty power generators on rental contracts as well. So I'm seeking connects with industries and businesses around Gujarat and Maharashtra. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Noor. Next is Funny. And if you could switch on your camera also. Funny, are you around? Yes.
Yes.
Please go on.
Yeah. So my name is Fani Vijay Pamati. I'm into training and development. So the 4 areas I train people is goal setting, peak performance, leadership, and effective public speaking. So most of my target customers are either students or corporate employees. So next month I would like to organize a effective public speaking session for which I would require references. So it can be the people in your groups. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, so next is Rohit Pasalkar. Sorry.
He's just left the meeting, had
Okay.
to go somewhere, so we can proceed further.
Next is Mr. Sagar Shah. Sagar Shah, are you there?
Good morning. Happy Friendship Day to all. My name is Sagar Shah. I'm representing my firm Madhu Traders. We deal in all types of plywood like densified plywood, commercial plywood, waterproof plywood, laminates, veneers, and other interior decorative products. We are located in Timber Market. My ask would be the interiors and architects in our contact. Thanking you, Sagar Shah from Madhu Traders.
Thank you, Sagar.
Thank you. Next is
Welcome.
Tejanshu. Next is Tejanshu Rane.
Yeah. Hi. Good morning, everybody. I'm Tejanshu Rane from Serve India. We are into water and wastewater treatment equipments. We design and manufacture such equipments and help industries and large apartments to treat their effluent and recycle. My specific ask would be we wanted to get into a group. So if anybody knows somebody from projects department of Nyati, it would be really great help. In our second division, we also represent one Italian company who are specialist in fruit processing. So if anybody wants to put a fruit processing equipment manufacturing unit, will be there to help them. Thank you very much, thank you very much, everybody, and thank you, Udayji, also to add me at the last moment. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Tejanshu ji. Next is Vishal Gosavi. विशाल जी है क्या चले गए? Can't see him. Okay. So next we have Vishwas Uday Khadke. Vishwas Uday.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
Yeah. Yes. Good morning to all. I'm Vishwas Khadke from Pune, and I'm into filmmaking and advertisements, and my past experiences in animation industry. So now I'm shifted into feature films and advertisements. So I would like to connect with all who needs to advertise their products or their companies or such like things. So I'm looking forward to have a deal with means their companies and all. So I do advertisements, I do filmmakings,
Thank you,
short
Vishwas.
films, and yeah, fine. Thank you.
Thank you, Vishwas. Next is
Thank you.
Mr. Ripen Shah.
Hi, good morning, everyone. I am Ripen Shah. We have a shop at Bajia Road. We deal in all types of office stationery, specialist in box file, A4 papers, and packing tapes.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rupen.
Yash, are you there?
Hello.
Hello.
योगेश जी, are you there? आप हैं क्या?
Yes, ma'am. हाँ, yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Start कीजिए.
Do you hear me? Hello.
Yes, sir. बोलिए.
Who are you calling from? Hello.
सुनाई दे रहा है, बोलिए सर.
You're calling for Yogesh or Piyush?
योगेश निंबलकर.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, all of you. My name is Yogesh Nimbalkar. Thanks for joining this platform. My business estate agent, Nimbalkar estate agent, flat rent purchase, और secondly social service, निम्बालकर बधुआ सूचक केंद्र. फ्री में हो जो शादी बनाने का, जिसको लड़की नहीं मिल रहा है, लड़का नहीं मिल रहा है, वो सब हम काम करते हैं. आवाज आ रहा है?
हाँ जी. Yes. Please go on.
यस, ऐसा तो सोशल सर्विस का काम चल रहा है. फ्री में शादी बनाने का काम है. जिसको लड़की नहीं मिल रहा है उसका शादी बनाने का, दिखाने का, वो सब है. तो किसको जरूरत पड़ी तो कांटेक्ट कर दीजिए.
Thank you, Yogesh ji.
Yes. Thank you. Next is Mr.
Mute करा. तुमको mute करा परत. हाँ. Yes.
Mute कर दीजिए योगेश जी. Okay. Next is Mr. Piyush Bhandari.
You'll have to unmute yourself, Piyush.
Okay, good morning. This is Piyush Bhandari from Passionate Plywood. Having a showroom at Timber Market, Pune. We are authorized distributors for Greenply Industries Limited and dealing in all types of plywood, laminates, veneers, and hardware. We would like to connect to interior designers, architects, builders, interior turnkey contractors, and all. And this week, I would like to seek reference of Mr. Manish Shah, an interior designer, having his office at Pound Road, or any such interior designers. This is Piyush Bhandari from Passionate Plywood, signing off. Thank you.
Great, thank you. Divya, can we move further? I think you lost connect with.
सर जी अपना वीडियो और माइक ऑन कर दीजिए.
Yeah.
Okay.
We lost you for a second, so you'll have to just repeat what you said.
Mr. Abizar.
I'm there. I'm Abizar Katurwala from Pearl Trading Corporation. We are into two business. First is local trading of bathroom accessories and fittings, and second is we are into export of building material and construction material. I'm looking for connect to architects, interior designers, builders, or retailers and showrooms who are into dealing, into bathroom accessories and fittings. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Abizar. Next is Deepak Dive.
Good morning, friends. Myself Deepak Dive. I run a small business. The name is Sri Ganesh Agrotech, which is a unique product. It is dependent on as like a farming without soil. It is helpful to dairy farmer and goat farmer who want to start their business in small space. I will help them to produce their grain fodder for their animals. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Deepak ji. Next is Manoj Jain.
Yeah. Good morning, everybody, and happy Friendship Day. I'm Manoj Jain, and my firm name is Janta Timber Traders.
We are from 40 years into business of ready cut size teak wood. And from 15 years, we have started all types of plywood, marine plywood, commercial, alternate, waterproof, all. And we also sell laminates and MDF. So anyone with a requirement of interior products, I will like to deal with you. And I would look forward to connect to architects and interior designers as well as individuals who are renovating their homes. Thank you.
Thank you.
So next is Pooja. Pooja?
Hello.
Yes,
Pooja
Pooja.
Korgawkar. Yeah. Hello, everybody. I'm Creative Pooja, graphic designer, UI UX designer from Creative Vision Designs. I can design a speaking website and a logo for your business. Also, my services include corporate branding, EDM design, exhibition design, packaging design, business intro video, corporate ad films, animated explanatory videos. Also, I am a voiceover artist. My specific asks would be e-learning companies and animation companies for your voice dubbing. Thank you.
Pooja.
Signing off, Pooja Korgawkar, Creative Vision Designs.
Thank you, Pooja. Okay, now let's move on to the admins. Janine, are you there?
Janine, unmute yourself.
Yeah. Am I audible now?
Yes,
Yeah.
Janine, go on.
Yeah. Shall I start?
Yes.
Yeah. Good morning,
Uday,
friends.
excuse me.
First of all, happy Friendship Day to all. And myself, Jinesh Shah. I am a pharmacist. I completed my diploma in pharmacy, and I am dealing with the online medicines, online medical, and we deliver the medicines on your doorstep with a very good discount. And we have completed our more than 2,000 customers in Pune, satisfied customers. And if you need any medicines, you can definitely call on my number. Jinesh Shah, thank you very much, and thank you Uday sir for making me the admin and co-host for the. We are doing a very great job, and I hope we all would have a very great days in the future. Thank you, Uday sir.
Thank you, Janine.
Thank you, Janine. Okay, do we have Nikesh here? Nikesh Shah?
Nikesh is there, I think so.
Okay, Nikesh, can you just unmute yourself? Nikesh, लगता है breakfast खाने चला गया है.
Uday, I'm late. Can I just go ahead?
Okay, who's this? Chirag?
Yeah,
Yes,
this is
Chirag.
Chirag.
Yes, Chirag. We missed you. Yeah.
This is Chirag from Sigax Industries, categorized into modular furniture and industrial fabrication. We have a factory located at Ramtikri Industrial Estate. We have designed more than 1,000 kitchens and 200 plus industrial estates in last 25 years. We work closely with furniture sales showrooms, architects, interior designers, and our esteemed clients are Kohinoor Executive Hotels, Kohinoor College of Lonavala, Khadki Station Headquarters, CME Station Headquarters, Serum Institute India, Fulton Sugar Factory, and Murphy's India Private Limited. I'd like to connect with interiors, architects, and furniture showrooms in your reference. Refer us for no obligation meeting today. A happy kitchen is a happy home, and a happy home makes a happy society, a better world to live together.
Thank you, Chirag.
This is Chirag Shawale signing off. Thank you, Uday. Thank you, Divya.
Okay,
Thank you, Chirag.
Divya, can we take Saket Agashe? He's waiting for his turn. If there's nobody else.
Okay. It's Mr. Saket. Yes.
Good morning all and happy Friendship Day. My name is Saket Agashe. Our company name is SBN Company. We are into water pumping solutions. My total experience is 10 years in this business and I am second generation entrepreneur. Our USP is we provide turnkey solutions like consultation, installation, sales, repairs and maintenance, and automation systems for all types of water pumps from 1986. Recent success stories, we have successfully completed a project of Anna Constructions for borewell and submersible pump installation. Looking for references like Koti Bhaskar Developer or Ranjekar Realty and architects from your contact sphere. Our top clients are Lotus Steps, Sankul Apartment Condominium, and PRM Developers. I would like to thank Uday sir for inviting me. Thank you.
Thank you, Saket.
Thank you, Saket. Thank you very much. Now it's you, Nikesh. Uday, would you want to now take this up?
I would love to, but I think we have Pooja who's remaining.
No. Pooja is done. It's you, Nikesh, and me. That's it.
Acha. I am having a feeling Pooja Korgaonkar is done, but Pooja Ahuja is not done.
Acha, there are two Poojas.
There are two Poojas. Right.
Yeah. Happens. Hi, friends. Can you all hear me?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So this is Pooja here, Pooja Ahuja. I am an interior designer. My firm name is Blueprint. I'm into residential, commercial, and industrial projects. Looking for specific connects with anybody who's wanting to renovate their house or office or any other property that they have, maybe the factory also. So yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Pooja.
Uday, Rohit is remaining.
Rohit is not. Rohit Deo.
Yeah, Rohit Deo.
Okay. Are you there, Rohit?
Yeah, he's there.
Yes.
Acha. Chalo.
Okay, so good morning all. My name is Rohit Dev from Alive Digital. So we are leading digital marketing institute in Pune. We train students into digital marketing and social media. Last week I have done one-to-one with Pooja Ahuja and we understand each other's business. This week I would like to connect with a graphic designer. I think her name is also Pooja. So Pooja, let's connect after this meeting.
Yes,
okay?
yes,
Thank you
sure,
very
sir, sure. Sir,
Thank
can you give your number? Or
Yeah,
I
yeah,
okay.
You can personally message it to her over Zoom or maybe WhatsApp.
Okay.
Yeah, in the private chat, you can share your numbers with each other. So Uday, has Badri come back? Badri?
No, I don't think so. I'm trying to
Okay.
check it. Is there anybody else left? We haven't taken your name and you've missed out on your introduction.
Is Nikesh back? Can you just check it?
Nikesh, I can't see him here. Where is he?
No, we can't see Nikesh. And Rohit Pasalkar also had joined.
He's
then.
left the meeting. He messaged me in my WhatsApp inbox.
Okay. And Vishal Gosavi, I think, has some technical issues or something. We can't see him again.
Okay.
And yeah, so it is you, Uday.
Achha,
and then after you, it is me.
You can go ahead yourself there, and I'll take it in the end. There's no problem.
ठीक है उदय. Thank you so much. So my name is Divya Rawat and I am into corporate and wedding events. So सब कुछ बंद हो जाने की वजह से now what we are currently exploring is online events. So something very exciting that I'm coming up with is a DJ Demon. So it is first kind of its concept in the entire universe. So guys, I would need you to connect me with models, these aspiring actors and aspiring DJs. So Uday, you can definitely help me with this. So
Yes,
I want
yes.
these connects for my new online first of its kind universal concept DJ Demon.
Okay,
And I
great.
have referrals for people. Can I announce it quickly?
You could do that. 10 seconds.
Okay, so Tejanshu, I have a referral for Tejanshu. You can connect with me. You take my number from the, I'll just inbox my number right now. Vishwas Uday Khadke, I have one referral for you. I have one referral for Jinesh Shah. I have one
Thank you.
collaboration I want with Anu Soman. And one referral for Chirag, Modular Furnitures. Yeah,
Okay, fantastic.
yeah. Thank you so much.
Great. So, okay, if everybody is done, then I'll introduce myself and my work to you guys. Right?
Yes, Uday.
So, Uday from DreamWorks Realty, we help you earn passive income through real estate. Considering the current situation where we are in our house and we are restarting our lives from scratch, such a thing is very useful and worth exploring. So, please connect me to your acquaintances who would want to know more about passive income through real estate. My specific ask, I would like to connect with Dr. Parag Sancheti, Director at Sancheti Hospital, Pune. Once again, Uday here. Thank you.
Thank you, Uday.
Thank you, Divya. You've been great.
Thank you so much. बस अभी निकेश जी बचे हैं. I think he's
Uday, are we
not
going
there.
to share thank you notes and one-to-ones that are...
Pardon me?
Uday, are we going to share thank you notes and the referrals or the one-to-ones which we are going to have?
Yeah, that'll
Because this
be
is our first one,
wonderful. That'll be wonderful. If you've done some work and you've closed business between the members, you can announce that. Yeah, that'll be confidence for others.
Yeah. So sorry, traveling so noises are there. But yeah, a thank you note to Rohit Pasalkar. Work closed for 3,25,000 rupees.
Wow.
And thank you note for Krishna for the oximeters of 2,800 rupees. Looking forward, there's one more reference from one of our members, Nikhil Shah, working under.
Right. Great.
Yeah, that's it. I'm looking forward for one-to-one with Amir. If Amir is there, I would like to have a one-to-one with Amir and Pooja Ahuja. Interiors. I think these are the interior guys who interior in our chapter. So yes, I would like to have one-to-one with Amir Khan and Pooja Ahuja.
Right. Fantastic.
And thank you for the reference, Divya. I'll connect you after this.
Sure, Chirag.
Anybody else who would want to give their testimonial or their experience they have with any member or maybe a business they've closed?
Okay, may I? Noor here.
Yes, Noor.
Yeah, a few days back, I just connected with Mr. Rajan Lonkar under the tag Electricals from this very same group. And we are into talks. I'm looking forward for the collaboration. One of my clients needs a 1 megawatt genset in Fulton. So I was not holding it right now. So I contacted him. He had provided me with some options. And soon might be we are into the decision-making process right now. And might be, if it's closed, we might go up to 40 lakhs for it. Thank you.
Oh, brilliant, brilliant, superb. Anyone else? See, not necessarily business closed. If you had a good experience with someone, you can share that as well. One-to-one, अगर आपने meeting किसी के साथ की है, you found that experience really nice, you can share that.
May I?
Yeah, yeah.
I would like to connect to Amir Khan and Pooja Ahuja after this meeting. And actually,
one with Nikhil. Hello.
And I'm having one actually, not exactly referral, I can say, but I can connect Divya Rawat because she was talking about. So we can have a chat. Abhijit, he is my friend. He's in Mumbai right now. He is also into DJ and regarding that particular area. He's working in that area. He's having his own brand actually.
Okay.
Dharavi Rocks. Dharavi Rocks. He's having the brand, so I can connect with him if she wants. Thank you.
Great. Anyone else, or should we just move further and have our closing note? And today's been a happier meeting. I mean, more zeal, more energy than the first time.
Yeah, I just want to share a testimonial. This is regarding Pooja. So she was a very great designer, interior designer, from what I have experienced. Pretty much aesthetics to the colors and then the lighting. So one of my friend has availed her services, and then that is the feedback that he has shared. So just want to share with the group. Pooja Ahuja.
Great, great.
Yeah, thank you.
Super. Anyone else who wants to say something so that if not, then we can move further. Okay, that means we move further because there's silence, and silence is not good on a Sunday morning. Okay, so I'm going to end the meeting here. First of all, I'm going to begin with thanking the following members. Jinein, can you check? Unmute कर लो यार, जो ना आवाज आ रहा है पीछे. Right. Okay, so I want to especially thank the following members of our group. Nilesh is not here today. Jinein has been there. They both are admins. They're doing a fabulous job at the back end, monitoring the group, keeping in mind the rules and guidelines we have made, helping each member follow that, and again, fabulous. It's voluntary. Time has to be given. Along with me, they're doing a superb job that way. So special thanks again to Fani, Pooja, Divya for coordinating this event for us. thank you is less, but we will make sure that our business relationships go to another level for sure. And again, a big thank you to all of you for attending this meeting today. I found this a better meeting than last time. First time there's always some glitches, etc., which we take ownership of, but this has been productive. I don't mind the members being 29, 28. What matters more is the energy which the meeting creates, and the referrals which are shared, the connections which are shared, and the introductions which are worked upon after the meeting. So that is important for me as an entrepreneur. So we shall have our next meeting with more zeal and energy soon. I'm looking at the 16th or the 17th of this month itself. So we'll see a Sunday. Few members have suggested to have the evening time, which is more preferable. So I think we'll have the next meeting in the evening, though it's in the planning stage, but I'll discuss it on the group once things are streamlined. So I would want to end the meeting here, but we've promised you on breakout rooms. So I'm not the right person to discuss that because I have 0% knowledge in it. Maybe Fani or Pooja can guide us through it and take us ahead. And I can make one of you admins or Fani admin. Sorry, the host of the meeting.
So actually, friends, the idea is that if at all any one of you wants to have another short meeting, maybe like 5 or 6 people of us, we can have small rooms. Basically, we can have separate. What we are having right now is a Zoom meeting, like that, separate small rooms, and we can have a closer connect and interaction.
So if you guys have the time and feasibility and you want to spend time with each other, discussing more in detail, you can move to the breakout room.
Yeah.
That's a feature in Zoom.
Yeah,
It's really excellent. Yeah.
I mean, after this meeting right now only itself.
Right.
Anybody willing?
Yeah, I would like to.
We've got Sakit's hands up. Acha, before we do that, can we have a thumbs up or some yo kind of a sign?
Yes. Yes,
for
Uday, I was about to say that and you just said it.
Right. So somebody wants to hold the print screen.
I
Can do that.
will take the picture. I would want all of you all to put your videos on, and I'll be taking a photograph.
Great.
Put your audios off, please. Audio, please off.
1 second.
Friends, audio off. Yeah, great. Audio is off. 1 sec.
So I'm not a host anymore. So Jinan, you can do that.
I will request you all to have a good smile. I'm taking the pictures now.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thumbs up, everybody. Or maybe
thumbs up
any
and
other
a
thing
smile.
you want to do. Thumbs up and a smile. So that's a long cheese.
Perfect. Yes, done.
Brilliant. Acha, I want to ask you honestly and with a very genuine interest, how did you like today's meeting? What is your feedback for us to take away and the experiences you've learned, maybe something new? I would want at least 4 or 5 members to voluntarily say their heart out and help us improve also if we've done something which wasn't according to your.
Come हे ऑन बीएनए सारखंच एक ग्रुप आहे त्यात आहेत 50-60 मेंबर्स आहेत त्यांची संडेला मीटिंग असते सकाळची आपलं इंट्रोडक्शन द्यायचं कुठे रेफरन्स द्यायचा
If you're not talking to the members, can you please unmute yourself?
काय त्यांची 9 वाजता चालू होती हळूहळू आलो मी ऐकत बोलत
Okay. So now we are silent and members can actually talk. Okay. So your takeaways, simple as that. We're business owners. We have takeaways for everything, and that's what you have to talk to us about. We'll all improve with your feedback.
Uday, may I talk? May I say a few words?
Yes, Jinan.
Yeah. Actually, Uday, the point is that many of the members are not comfortable with speaking in English. So, may I allow the people to speak in their own comfortable language, which would be
Any day, any day. Hindi, Marathi will do.
Because in English they are not able to speak, means they are not able to express properly.
Okay.
Fully.
Okay.
And they are not able to give their 100% to share the things of their business.
ठीक है ना,
I would
हिंदी में
just
बात
request
करेंगे.
to share in Marathi or Hindi is very comfortable for everyone of us if they are comfortable.
Done.
Uday, actually, I think that if the next meeting should be little late because it's Saturday night and Sunday it's early to morning 9 o'clock. So many members don't get up. So I think 11:30, 12. It's just a suggestion. This is all up to you.
No, noted. Everybody's comfort we are going to take into consideration and get things done.
Yeah, because I think the group is of 250.
That you can have one-on-one there. So whom do you want to have that